Hi, in this video I want to show you how to create a user form in Excel that calls these macros that I've already recorded, but it'll be in a user form. So instead of using these buttons here, I'll use a user form button, and then I'll get rid of these. I just want to show you how to use a user form. So if I go into the VBA, I'll bring this over here. Here's the environment. I've already created this user form. I'll get rid of this one and create a new one. Insert user form, and I'll just leave it named user form 3. That's okay. And maybe I want to have it shaped like this for some reason, so that it fits better on the screen. And then I want to add buttons that will call those same routines. So maybe I'll put a label up here that says, oops, that's a text box. I always do that. This is the label. So I'll say, this is my dashboard control, or something like that. Just so you know what it is. You could also name the user form of your dashboard control. These are buttons. So if I click on this, and it has a name called Command Button 1, and here are its properties here, and its name is Command Button 1. I'm going to call it Milk. If I click on Milk, nothing's going to happen. If I double click on it, it goes to the code that you want to execute when you click on Command Button 1. So it's Command Button 1.click. What do you want to do? Well, you want to call the routine that you recorded already. And I think it's in Module 1, and if I scroll down there, there's milk, so it's called filter milk. So copy, come back here, and it's user form 3 code that I want to select, paste, filter data for milk. And then if I go back to actually looking at user form 3, if I was to run this, then it would filter for milk in, I think I'm already doing milk, so I'll change this to butter. Now if I come back here and run this form and click on milk, then it runs milk. That's the idea. And so you can create different buttons for different controls, and hopefully you get the idea. So I change this to butter, and it's the same idea. So here, I think I call filter, I think I call them all the same, only it's butter, right? Form 3. So to show this user form, you don't want to be in this mode here. You want to have a button that shows this user form. And the code to show a user form, I think I put it on one of these sheets. Yeah, here it is, and I commented it out. It's user form visible. Or sorry, user form show is what I meant to say. User form show. I'm going to copy that and create a macro that or a routine that runs that little code. If I come in here, I could say insert procedure, and there's different ways to do this. I'll just say show form, and it's down here. Scooch this up. Sorry. trying to fit it into the recording screen. So there's my show form. If I do userform.1 show, it will show userform1. It was 3, the name of the userform that we had. So now I have a routine called show form, and if I come over here and do insert button, sorry, I don't want to, oh yeah, I want to insert a button, sorry, insert a button, and I want to show the form. That's the one I want to use. Show the dashboard. So there's the dashboard. Butter, milk. We can move this to different places. So that's how you do that.